Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a fourth unit, Web Application and Security. First topic, working with accessibility options. In our last video, we completed a third unit, Database Management System. If you didn't watch that videos, I will give all the link in a description box. You will easily access there. Let's start today's video. First one topic, computer accessibility. Computer accessibility refers to a user friendliness of a computer system for all regardless of their disability. Accessibility refers to how computers can be helpful to all users regardless of their disability. This is mainly a software. It enables a person with a disability or impairment to use a computer. It enables a person with disability to use computer with the help of accessibility tools such as text-to-speech, speech-to-recognition, etc. It is known as assistive technology. You can follow the step to open accessibility tool. Open a control panel and then click as of access option. Then select your particular option that is required. Next one topic, types of impairment. There are 5 types of impairment. First one, cognitive impairment. Second, vision impairment. Third, hearing impairment. Fourth, motor or dexterity impairment. And fifth, speech impairment. Let's discuss the first one, impairment, cognitive impairment. People suffering from dysgraphia, dyslexia, ADHD or autism also cannot read small text size, face bright screen, and even unable to produce handwriting reliably. Second one impairment is a visual impairment. Individuals who are blind cannot access visual material presented on the computer screen or in printed materials. For some people with low vision, the standard size of letters are too small for them to read. Some people suffer from color blindness. And next one impairment is a hearing impairment. People who suffer from hearing impairment or deafness find problems is perceiving the audio content. And next one impairment is a mobility impairment. People suffering from paralysis, cerebral palsy and carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injury are not able to use enough their hands and arms to operate a standard keyboard or mouse. And next one impairment is a speech impairment. People who suffer from speech impairment find it difficult where audio input is required, but they can use many technological tools that help them convert text to speech. Let's discuss the accessibility features. First tab is a keyboard tab. There are 3 keys, sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Let's discuss the first one key, sticky keys. Sticky key is an accessibility feature to help computer users with physical disabilities, but it is also used by others as a means to reduce repetitive strain. To enable sticky keys, turn on the sticky keys. The sticky key icons appears in the system tray. And second one keys is a filter keys. Filter keys is a feature of Microsoft Windows. It is an accessibility function that tells the keyboard to ignore brief or repetitive keystrokes, making typing easier for people with hand tremors. To enable the filter keys, turn on the filter keys. The filter key icon appear in the system tray. And third one key is toggle keys. Toggle keys is an accessibility function which is designed for people who have vision impairment or cognitive disability. When toggle keys is turned on, computer emits sound cues when the locking keys are pressed. To enable the toggle keys, turn on the toggle keys. And next one tab is a sound tab. There are two options. First one sound sanitary and second one show sound. Sound sanitary. It is designed to help users with auditory impairment. It generates visual warning such as a blinking title bar or flashing border whenever the computer generates a sound. Second one option show sound. It instructs applications that convey information by sound. It also provides information visually through text caption or informative icons. And next one tab is a display tab. There are two options. First one high contrast and second one cursor option. First one high contrast. High contrast is an accessibility feature to assist people who vision impairment. You can change size and color of fonts and the background for ease of viewing. And second one option is a cursor option. Cursor options is also an accessibility feature that assists people with vision impairment by changing the blink rate and width of the cursor. Next one tab is a mouse tab. Mouse keys is an accessibility feature that assists people who have difficulty using a mouse. This option uses the keyboard as a pointing device instead of a mouse. To enable a mouse keys, turn on the control your mouse with a keyboard and tick the checkbox, show the mouse key on the taskbar. Next one option is a journal tab. This tab enables you to configure accessibility option for all users. Journal tab can be used to anyone. Turn off the accessibility feature after idle for. Give warning message when turning a feature on and make a sound when turning a feature on or off. And last one topic is a serial keys. Serial keys is a accessibility feature that assists people that have difficulty using a mouse or a keyboard. They can use special devices such as chip, puff or breathe switches to provide input to the computer through a serial port. So dear friends, in this video you learn computer accessibility, types of impairment and accessibility features, and also you learn special keys. In the next video we will start a second one topic, networking fundamentals. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more strength. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.